Hi guys, got the pulse motor set up again. We're now going with a reed switch and nickel metal hydride battery and a solar panel. Now this is about the third or fourth time I've started to film this because I've had all sorts of silly little problems. I was going to tell you that battery was 1.27 volts last night and it had been in the sun all day today charging up, but after all the messing about it's down to 1.24, 1.25, whereas it had gone right up to 1.3 something during the day charging up. So the other problem was the reed switch had welded itself shut, so that confused me for quite a while, but I fixed that. So new reed switch. I've got a LED across the reed switch in the reverse direction to try and soak up any back spikes caused by the coil going back through the switch. Yeah, I was looking for a diode and I couldn't find one, so I put a LED on there anyway. As you can see, it is spinning happily. Over here, I got time-lapse camera sitting there, and I should just leave that and see how long it runs for. Now the idea was going to be to see how long it ran for after a day full of sunshine on it. But as I say, I've more or less flattened the battery, messing around with the dead reed relay and resetting everything. So we might have to do this a second time tomorrow if we get another sunny day. At the moment it's running. I'll have a look later on, see if it's still running, and probably include the bit of time-lapse video in there before we finish editing the video. Just trying to think of a title for the video. I'm not sure whether it's battery assisted solar power or solar assisted battery power. I have to think about that. Or just solar powered, because the battery was charged up from the solar power. We'll see. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.